Hi guys, welcome to the Thinking Crypto channel. I hope you're doing well. On this channel, we cover the crypto news and we interview many of the folks who are building and investing in the crypto asset class. Hit that like button, guys. Let's get to 500 likes. Hit that subscribe button if you're new here and leave a comment below. Guys, the Bitcoin stock to flow model, which I'm a big believer in, is on track, says the creator. Here's the headline. Bitcoin now perfectly on track to $100,000, says Stock to Flow creator. The price of Bitcoin surpassed $11,700, and the creator of the Stock to Flow model says Bitcoin to $100,000 is well on track. So I'm currently in contact with PlanB, who once again is that creator of the Stock to Flow model, which mimics gold, and it's based on data, guys. It's based on the trend. So this is not emotions or feelings. This is about data. Now, there's no certainties when it comes to investing, but you use the facts and the data you have on hand to kind of predict or put an outline together of what we may see in the future. So PlanB, I'm in contact with him and trying to set up an interview, but we have hit that third red dot, which is a crucial price point of $11,700. And when you look at the chart here, guys, you saw just last week, I believe it was, when he tweeted this chart here, we were on our second red dot, and now we're on our third because we hit that respective price point. And once again, this is data, and this is based on the Bitcoin halving cycles, supply and demand economics. You have a cut in the supply of the halving, and then you continue to see the rising demand, and we're seeing heavy demand from institutional investors and hedge funds and Wall Streeters and so forth. And the next price point in a parabolic run-up is between $80,000 to $100,000 for Bitcoin. We may not even hit 80,000, but if we get to 50,000, I think that is going to be spectacular, right? So just keep in mind, no certainties, but we're talking about probabilities. Is there a high probability or something happening? Yes. Or is there a low? That type of thing. That's how you got to look at it, guys. So keep those investment principles in the back of your mind as we talk through these things and you look at the data. But like I said, Bitcoin hit a crucial price point of 11,700. Right now it's at 11,600, and the altcoins are moving with it. Bitcoin is the rising tide that moves all boats here, and Ethereum is at 356, XRP close to 27 cents. So the market's certainly looking bullish. Now, keep in mind, Bitcoin could crash back down to 9,000 tomorrow. Some people are saying it could crash back down to 6,000. I personally don't think so. Even PlanB said that. If there's a dip, it won't be going down to 6,000. I think we built a new support level of 9,000, and we'll eventually build a support level of 10,000, 11,000, and so forth, and work our way up. And I believe if the next price point for Bitcoin is between $80,000 to $100,000, then we will be hitting $20,000 sooner than later. And PlanB tweeted out the following here. The first red dot fixed at $9,132, the second at $11,356, and currently the third $11,700. So once again, that stock to flow model being used here in his respective chart of indicating how bullish the market is, going from red to the orange to the yellow to the green, just indicators here, right? Just data. And it's important that we at least use the facts that we have on hand, and you look at the previous cycles and it's on track, guys, for higher values. So super excited. The market's looking very bullish, but as always, you have to be cautiously optimistic, right? So Bitcoin is seeing some really nice moves here, and like I said, the altcoins are moving with it. Now, something else another trader put out here is that textbook bull pattern predicts Bitcoin could hit $14,000 in October. So that's certainly possible because we are trending upwards, and these things are not going to happen, in every week. Like Bitcoin's not going to jump to 14,000 next week. It could, but I'm just saying, it's more better for a steady, slow growth, right? And we're working our way back up to $20,000. So a textbook bull pattern still predicts that Bitcoin will hit $14,000 in the months ahead. This positive sentiment has been corroborated by prominent investors such as Mike Novogratz of Galaxy Digital. Now, as always, I keep it 100 with you guys, transparent. Mike has been wrong in the past. Like, he called for certain price points in the bear market, and that could have been a smoke and mirrors move on his part because he was trying to short the market or whatever it may be. But looking at a variety of facts, right? Technical analysis is one aspect, but you also got to look at what's happening in the market and the world around us. A lot of money printing, a lot of inflation, right? And crypto's the new asset class. And then you see crypto regulations being passed. Yesterday, we talked about Russia. Vladimir Putin signed some crypto bills into law. And in the United States, just last week, banks can custody cryptocurrencies. They got the green light from the OCC. So when you couple all these things together with the market cycles, it is looking very, very bullish. So the chart pattern is a bull flag, which is formed when prices consolidate into a flag-like pattern after a strong uptrend. The analyst here is Tyler D. Coates, and he says his analysis suggests that this latest bull flag predicts Bitcoin will hit $14,000 in October or slightly before that. So we are on track for higher prices. And something you want to put into perspective here, guys, and I'm going to zoom in a bit. When you look at the 2017 peak, which my mouse cursor is over here, right? Look at how high that is, and then look at those little rallies going up. Just imagine these rallies that we're seeing here, right, on the way up, and you have your pullbacks. How high Bitcoin's going to go beyond 20,000, right? So that's why these almost seem like little rallies on the way up to the big parabolic move, which I'm a big believer in. Just looking at the data. Now, once again, not a certainty, but probabilities, right? But that's why the idea of 80,000 to 100,000 on Bitcoin is not far-fetched when you look at the historical patterns. Like I said, guys, look at it from a macro level with the halving chart, and you will see what I'm talking about. It makes complete sense, logic here, right? But we'll have to see how things play out. I'm very bullish. I'll be cashing up Bitcoin at different price points from your $25,000, $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 and upwards, right? Remember, you got to cash out in stages because no one can call the top. What if Bitcoin doesn't hit 80,000? What if it just hits 45,000? So you got to keep those things in mind. You want to take profit on the way up and not cashing out all. But if you want to, you certainly can. But if you're waiting for higher prices, you just got to cash out on the way up because you don't know where it's going to top off at. So big believer in the stock to flow model, like I said, guys, and the altcoins are following. So let's be patient. Patience is so key in investing, and just look at guys like Warren Buffett and what they've done in being patient. And the crypto cycle has actually moved pretty fast compared to other asset classes because it's very new and very volatile. But the same swings that take us very low are the same swings that take us very high. That's why there's a significant opportunity here to make some nice returns. So guys, what do you think about this and the stock to flow model? It's on track. We'd love to hear what you guys think. And do you guys understand the stock to flow model here in the supply and demand economics similar to gold? And want to hear what you think. And also keep in mind the macroeconomic issues going on and the movement towards crypto and regulations being passed here. So I think big things are ahead for this asset class, and I'm super excited. So leave your thoughts and comments below, thumbs up, and I'll talk to you all later.